The day your life changes, two parts, before and after, and that day could be today. There's a moment everyone faces, a moment where life hits so hard you feel something break inside you. Maybe it's failure, maybe it's betrayal, maybe it's a dream collapsing right in front of your eyes. But inside that moment, inside that pain, something else is born. A question, a quiet whisper, is this really who I want to be? For years, you've been walking around carrying the weight of excuses, broken plans, wasted time, and half-done dreams. Every night you tell yourself, tomorrow will be different. But tomorrow arrives, and nothing changes. Not because you're weak, but because you never had a breaking point. You see, change doesn't happen when everything is fine. Change happens when the pain of staying the same becomes greater than the fear of changing. There was a boy who kept failing everything. School, work, relationships. He felt like life was passing him by. Every time he tried, he fell. Every time he hoped, life pushed him back down. One night, sitting alone in his room, he whispered to himself, "I think I'm done. Done fighting, done dreaming, done trying." But then something hit him, not inspiration, not motivation, but anger. Anger at the version of himself that kept quitting, anger at the life he knew he should be living but wasn't. Anger at the fear that controlled every decision, and in that moment he stood up, looked in the mirror, and said the words that changed everything. "I'm not living like this anymore." That was the day his life split into two parts, before and after. Maybe you're standing in that same spot right now. Maybe you're tired of the promises you keep breaking to yourself. Maybe you're tired of the potential you waste every day. Maybe you're tired of letting fear be the author of your life. You know what hurts the most? Not the failures, not the losses, not the mistakes. What hurts the most is knowing you could be more, knowing you should be more, knowing your future self is watching, waiting, begging for you to change. And maybe, just maybe, that day is today. Listen to me, you don't need permission to change your life. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need people to believe in you. You need one thing, a decision. A decision that you are done living small, done waiting for the right time, done letting life push you around, done letting fear win. You don't rise because life gets easier. You rise because you get stronger. There is a version of you that you haven't met yet. A version who wakes up early, who moves with confidence, who doesn't break promises to themselves, who doesn't run from challenges, who builds discipline like a muscle, who gets things done, especially when they don't feel like it. That version of you is real, alive, waiting. And the only thing standing between you and that version is the decision you make right now. So ask yourself, is this the day my life changes? And if the answer is yes, then stand up, start small, start messy, start scared, but start because one day you'll look back at this moment and say, that was the day everything changed. Your future is calling, your potential is calling, your next chapter is calling. Pick up the call, change your life, start today. And if you're ready to become unstoppable, subscribe for more powerful motivation every single day.